So hey you guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is part 2, day 2 of the packing up and moving vlog. This is a part of the moving series here I'm doing on my channel, so go ahead and subscribe so you can be a part of that. So today is day 2. We already got the living room done. I started my room, got a good majority and good chunk done with my clothes. Now today I gotta go to Trader Joe's and get some food from my last week. I have no idea what I'm gonna cook or what I want for the week. I do know I want chicken. That's the one thing I do want, like a nice fried chicken. I know, but I just want a nice fried chicken, like homemade fried chicken. So I'm gonna get that today and make that for dinner tonight. And then I just need stuff for lunch and dinner for the rest of the week. Well, until at least like Friday-ish, because I move on Saturday. So in addition to that, I have homework. Today's homework day. Sundays are always homework days for me. So I have to do a PowerPoint presentation when I come back in before 11:59. And I got to go ahead and respond to 2 discussion boards on Blackboard. Y'all know that Blackboard life. I thought I ran from it, but I signed myself back up to be back in it. So I have to do that. And then I think what I'm going to do in my room today is tackle my desk area. So I'm going to flip this camera around just to show y'all what is going on. This is just me being a girl. So I have a lot of stuff that I just need to go through and throw away. But aside from that, let me show you guys the progress that I made. So my closet is cleared out all at the bottom. I just have to sweep down there. I moved my coats from my coat rack, which is now gone, over here. So I have my coats, probably the ones I'll wear for the week that I haven't bundled up yet. And then these are clothes. This is like stuff I haven't even worn yet, or brand new things that have like tags and stuff on it. I have plans for this stuff, so I just wanted to group this all in one location so I kind of knew where to find it when I unpack. And then this is more coats, and then some clothes and hangers back there. I need to go through this row so I can do this row sometime today. This is just like linens, and I need to see like what I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping. Aloe vera gel, Bath and Body Works sprays that my mom buys me and I don't use most of them, so I'll just keep some and get rid of the rest. And then I have medicine and stuff like that in this one, so I have to go through there. More hair stuff that I have to go through, which is like, that's my cosmetics bag, so I need to utilize that bag and put some of my makeup and stuff over here. In there, I have my clothes laid out on the floor, folded. I have, this is like my, I call it my don't care clothes, so like sleepwear, loungewear, all that. Like I have like my grad t-shirt, Disney 25th anniversary t-shirts that like I can't let go because like they're like memories per se. For me, memories to me that I feel like it's a keepsake and I need to hold on to it. And then I have like work clothes, good care clothes, all that, t-shirts, sweaters, dresses, pants, wrapped up and mixed into there. And then over here, I have undergarment socks. I moved all my purses and hats over here. I downsized a lot on my hats and my purses because if I didn't wear it or haven't been wearing it, it just needed to go. My shoes that actually all have shoe boxes still that I just want to keep shoe boxes for are in here. My shoe rack that was in the hallway is now gone. That bag is summer stuff. I have a suitcase that I'm going to put my jewelry in. My shoes that were behind my door are now gone, and look what it did to the back of my freaking door. So now I have to like scrub this off with like some bleach. Hopefully majority of it comes off. If not, he can paint over it. He gonna need to paint anyway. So that is that. So a lot on the agenda for today. First things first, I just got out the shower and just brushed my hair out. I've been having it in a bun for like the past 2 days, so I'll probably just throw on a hat, honestly. Put some shades on and a lip and head out to go to Trader Joe's and make my list on the train of what I'm going to get, because I have no idea what I'm going to get. But go do that. Run to Trader Joe's. I think I want to run in Target too, just to look at some stuff. Just looking, just browse. My roommate Ace is going with me, so we're just like having a day out. So we'll probably grab some food while we're out. Oh, I'm leaning over. Probably grab some food while we're out too, because I am a little hungry. And then come back, do paper, get that out the way. Well, PowerPoint, get the homework out the way, and then we just clean. So I'll check back in when we are either on the way or there or doing all that, whatever the case may be. Such a nice day. It's supposed to be 50 degrees today, so that means it's warming up, the sun is shining, and I gotta go outside and get some good sun. So let's go. So we're on Utica, and this is like a cute little restaurant. We're kind of like just exploring the neighborhood. Went to the cleaners because Asa had to drop off her coats. She did an adult thing. She feels real adult-like, taking her coats to get professionally cleaned. Now, on her favorite block, it's dark. Why is it so dark? So now we're walking. It's Japanese vibes? Oh.
Just like a nook and kind of like green.
Uh-oh. It's a nice office space.
It is. We probably like, okay, we don't need this.
Summertime, you can open this up. Okay.
Casablanca over here.
Casablanca Mexican. With a name like that, you gotta be like Mexican bar type. Got to.
Oh, this one side that sits in between these two. It's like the fire extinguisher. And another pole, and he just sits in there. He bends in there. They go juices for life.
Oh, so Juices for Life is Styles P, little juice bar. We're actually walking to a vegan soul food Jamaican type spot. Caribbean, all that good flavor, but it's all vegan. So
eat there once a week.
This is my first time. That's nice. With the balconies?
Why are the balconies so small?
They are, but something is better than nothing. They could have extended it out a little bit. Well, the one right here is not extended out,
the other ones
but the other two ones are extended out just a little bit. That's gonna be nice.
It's gonna be nice. That's the only sunlight.
What's that?
So if
School?
you think about it, because
yeah, the back is dark.
Mm-hmm.
Still gonna be nice. They just be throwing them new apartments any and everywhere here. So this is the spot. It's called Natural Blend. I'm thinking it's somewhere else. Oh, burgers.
They're really getting the idols still. Gotta be over on here now.
You said the jerk chicken is good? Yo, look at Ace's food, y'all.
I don't know.
So the whole thing is vegan.
Right,
it's yours because I didn't get rice.
Oh. The way he delivered it.
It's weird. The whole energy of him delivering stuff and coming out here has been weird. It's just been weird.
We're about to get summoned.
That looks so good. It smells amazing.
And it came fast.
I can't wait to see my plate.
Everything has been such a Sunday morning. Hercules.
Not Hercules.
Yo, maybe once I got my coat, I cannot eat my coat.
Well, I'm trying to see. Ain't no seats in there.
Hercules. I'm gonna wait till
I was born by the river.
it feels good out here. That's the crazy thing.
That's how I know spring is coming. Come on, spring.
Come on, flies.
Come on.
I'm waiting for you.
Go ahead, eat, sister,
You know
eat.
why? So that mac and cheese. But no,
That mac and cheese probably fire. I feel like the mac and cheese is fire.
it's decent. I don't really like the mac and cheese, really.
You don't really like it?
I mean, it's good, but it's vegan mac and cheese. And like, if it ain't me making it, most likely.
Yeah, I would say that because everybody vegan mac and cheese ain't good. But they're
Everybody
black.
mac and cheese ain't good.
That too. This is true too. This is factuals. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm gonna just wait till my plate comes. I was trying to like have like a nice entrance. Thought he was going, you know, come around the corner. Up, here she go.
Oh, that's a disrespect.
Damn, he went the other fucking way. But while we wait,
Up there.
right, it's up back here, sir. While we wait, look at this. Look at this vibe. Once they move this, I'm pretty sure. Back here. It's me. Yes, it's me. It's she. Everybody see how good this is about to be some fire.
That is good.
They do.
I'm looking for you all the time.
It's okay.
Why did they put it on the other and one so I could?
Thank you.
Bring it all together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, it looks so good.
I prepared everything.
Made it with love.
We're going to Trader Joe's.
Oh yeah? How is it? 136.
Oh. So this little cute market down here is called the Cab Market. It's in downtown Brooklyn. There's a whole bunch of shops of food. It's a really nice Mexican spot that we ate down here. It's a burger spot and like ice cream and stuff, but the grocery store is actually out here. But there's like really cute stuff. It's the vibe. You get pierogies. Vietnamese food. Brooklyn barbecue. Cats. Oop. It's a whole bunch of stuff. But the main attraction is Trader Joe's. Oh, get that together. Well, hey you guys, welcome back. So hey, this is another day of packing. Actually, it's been like a couple of days that have passed by. It's now Thursday. Let me pause this. So the final week has kind of come to an end. We have 2 days left in this apartment, so I need to finish up packing. What I'm about to tackle is all of this. This is the fun that we have to work with. But good news is I've pretty much done most of my closet. I've done, these are all my clothes folded up. I have to go in boxes. Everything under there is clear. Those are dirty, so I'm washing those. I have to try to scrub the dirt and residue from my shoes on the back of my door off. And then this is just all stuff. But it's kind of like packed up. I did just run and get like 2 boxes. I feel like I'm only gonna need 2. And I think I'm just gonna put my clothes in it. I don't really know, not too sure. But I also went and got some more trash bags because I think I might just do like the trash bag method. It's just so much easier to travel stuff. And then on top of that, I got Ziploc bags because I have a whole bunch of jewelry that is in this area and makeup and stuff like that. Because a lot of this stuff I probably am gonna throw away. But I wanted to, oh, these are snack bags. What the fuck? This ain't gonna work. These gonna be too small. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make this do what it do, but I wanna put like my jewelry and organize it in here so I can know where it is. And then I just got some snacks because this is about to be a process. So I just wanted to come on here and check in and say hello, let you guys know that I'm finished, not finished, but I'm still packing up. I'll probably be completely finished tomorrow. I have to move on Saturday, so I gotta be finished tomorrow, duh. But I want to say a good majority of it is gonna get done tonight. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and then I'm gonna clean the bathroom, my part of cleaning the bathroom, and then tomorrow we're cleaning the kitchen as a collective. And yeah, feeling pretty good. I'm pretty happy. I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous about like a new space. I think it's more so because I'm so used to my normal routine, my house, like my things surrounded by my house, and you know, my norm, my route, and everything like that. But it's time for something new. I've been in this space for 2 years now, so we gotta evolve, we gotta grow, and we gotta move on. So I'm excited, but I'm scared. I think I'm more so scared of like, now that I'm moving into the city, it's a little bit more dangerous. Oh, my dad's calling because he's coming to help me up, so this is about him coming up. Hola. Hey, Dad. I just seen your text message. Hold on.
Sound totally sucks.
Well, my phone was like on the other side of the room and I just picked it up. So my fam is coming up. My dad, my sister, and both my brothers is coming up to help me just move this little bit of stuff. The only reason why my dad is bringing reinforcements, I asked my dad and my brother to come up, but my dad hurt his back. You know, he old and he can't really move or lift stuff. So he's kind of coming just as like an organizer, I'm guessing. And then he recruited my little brother, but then my sister said she wanted to come, so like the whole fam's coming. So I gotta go ahead and like clean out space for them. And they're gonna be here for 2 nights, one for the weekend, pretty much. So let me get started. My plan is to honestly throw a lot of this away. I already have my trash bag, and the reason being is I don't wear half the shit that's in here, and it's just collecting dust. So I'm gonna like organize. I cannot believe I bought snack bags. Organize the jewelry by putting them in these little snack bags, and if it's broken, if it's tarnished, or whatever the case may be, it's going in the trash. I have all these sunglass bags from my sunglasses that I ordered from this particular site that I never use any of them. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna probably keep one. No, we'll keep 2. See, look at me. I don't want to say I'm a hoarder, but I'm a hoarder. A hoarder of good things though, because I feel like, look at me making excuses. I feel like, honestly, truly, so I'm gonna keep these 2. I feel like I should keep 3. We'll keep 3. I'm a hoarder because I feel like stuff comes back in style and you never know when you're gonna need something. And God forbid I need something, I don't have it, and I had it and I threw it away. Then I'm gonna really be pissed. That's just like my philosophy on it. So that's why I just feel like I have so much shit, like piles and piles of stuff, because of that exact reason. So this is like a choker. It has like the Gucci print. So put the necklaces in one. I'll go ahead and just start a bag for each, kind of, somewhat, sort of. You guys remember name earrings? I still have a pair. And it says my name on it. Well, duh. It says Lexi on it and it's a star. I need to get these clean because they're real and they're dirty as hell. And this one all smush from being in my mom's jewelry box. But should I bring name earrings back? Well, they never really left, but should I wear my name earrings? Let me get those cleaned. Maybe I can organize. I can be real organized. I can do like dangles, studs, all that. So like these earrings I bought from a small business owner. Can't think of the name, but they're tarnished. So go ahead and throw them away as soon as I find the other one. So that's kind of just like my philosophy, is just like going through stuff and figuring out what's staying, what's going, and all that. I think it's going to take me a minute to go through this stuff because I also have like papers and cords and all that to go through. And this desk itself, I don't want to keep it anymore just because it's holding junk like this. I want to live a very minimalist life. So on this series, you guys are going to see like me organizing, me going decorating, me going home decor shopping, all that. I'm really going to invest in my space this time and amplify it up from looking more college dorm room to more so like co-working sleep space. More so like using my space as like a studio. Like I want to get like a chair. I want to put my lights up so they're always up and ready for me to record. Just a different type of energy. Like I want my bed to just be my bed, and then everything around it to be like a studio base or scene base for me to record and shoot stuff. So I'm about to go through this stuff and go through my hair bucket and all of it, and I will check in with you guys later. Okay, so I wanted to come on here in this vlog and I'll let y'all know that I'm packed up and thanks sis. So I wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I'm packed up, as you can see, ready to go. Half of this ain't even mine, but I'm just showing y'all. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end that vlog off and we'll start the next vlog, which is moving.